Hi friends, welcome to my channel, me and my bro. Now I'm going to show how to fix the tripod. This is the Hama tripod. Now I'm going to assemble this. This is the leg of the tripod. We are going to open. This can be extended by the desired length. This height can be increased for approximately 5 feet. This can also be placed by slightly by decreasing length of one leg. You can arrange this into 3 different heights. First, second one. This is. Now I'm going to do the third one. Lock. Now it's ready. You can also place like this. I decree to fix the DSLR camera to the tripod. Handle it carefully. You can fix it properly by removing this. See this? Now you can screw up. Tightly. And fix it properly. Be careful. You can fix like this. You have to loosen this knot to rotate the camera 360 degree. This is the grip to move the camera up and down. This watermark can show the correct placement of the tripod, and this watermark shows the correct placement of the camera. The green one which you can see here. Now the camera is ready to take a shot. The same tripod can also be used to fix a mobile phone, also a small accessory. This mobile phone holder. Now I'm going to fix it. Now I'm going to fix the mobile phone. I have fixed the mobile phone to the mobile holder. Now it's ready to capture our memories.